Harassment is a very broad term in criminal law. It can be any contact that is repeated and unwanted and is not based on a legitimate reason. So, for example, if you're just living your life and you have an ex that you broke up with who continues to call you, send you flowers, show up at your job, show up at your home, and you don't want that attention, these things in and of itself by themselves may not necessarily be criminal, but because they are repeated and because they are not wanted and because they have no legitimate purpose, it can rise to the level of harassment. It's very important that if you do feel harassed, that you get a restraining order to keep this person away from you. In most cases, once the person is served the restraining order, that's enough of a shock to the system to get these people to leave you alone. But sometimes you need to actually get a permanent injunction against them so they can realize that they need to leave you alone. And if you're that person who sometimes you may think you watch too many romantic movies and you think you're being romantic and you're being persistent chasing this person you have feelings for, no means no. So if somebody is not interested in you, you may want to think about moving on. Persistence isn't always the best thing, not in this situation. If you're after someone and they're not showing interest, let it go. You don't want to wind up with a criminal charge of harassment.